now making sushi.
We're making sushi. What do we start with?
Okay, start with, what is this?
Oh, Mieliepap.
Mieliepap, or Mieliepap, okay.
Mieliepap.
Yeah, okay.
Like Papa-san.
Okay, Mieliepap.
Mieliepap. B is for Boere Sushi. That is why today we're gonna make sushi South African style with my own Suzelle flourish. You will need biltong dust, crispy onions, peppadews, carrots, spring onions, micro herbs, cheese, and some crispy bacon, some Boerewors, some cling wrap, and finally some Mieliepap. Very important part of this process. I'm placing down a piece of cling film, place on a dollop of Mieliepap, flatten it, then we place the Boerewors in the middle and we roll it ever so gently. This gives new meaning to the word boerie roll. Now we open it up, slice off the edges to make it nice and neat. I'm using a serrated knife, which you wet in between slices and slice it ever so gently, even people. Sushi is all about precision. That's why I didn't invite Marianne today. Ta-da! Makkie. Oh, Boere makkie plan. Stupid. Let's roll one in biltong dust. You know what this looks like? One of those fancy goat's cheeses. But it isn't. Slice it ever so gently. Place them on my plate. Time for the toppings. Cheese, peppadews for a splash of color. Finally, little shards of crunchy bacon. But what's Boere sushi without a dipping sauce? Is it soy sauce and wasabi? No. It's chutney. There's it. Let's try it. A taste sensation. This is incredible. Let's make some Boere sushi reloaded. Very delicate slice of avocado. Place it on top. Stunning. Now for a little splash of balsamic glaze. Sprinkle with spring onions. Dollop of mayonnaise. And for the final flourish, tiny piece of peppadew. Boerie roll reloaded. Eat my heart out, Willoughbys. To put my Boere sushi to the test, I've invited a very special guest to the studio. Konnichiwa, Papa-san.
Konnichiwa.
Today, we're making Boere sushi.
Hi.
It's a little bit different.
Hi.
For example, we're not using fish.
Hi.
We're using Boerewors.
Hi.
We are not using sushi rice.
Hi.
We're using Mieliepap.
Hi.
So, let's get started.
Hi.
Are you ready for the sushi off? Let's go.
Okay, go.
I see you've got a very special sushi mat over there. Don't copy me, Papa-san.
Okay.
I'm taking this Boerewors,
Okay.
putting it in the middle. Look at that. Look at this. It's so good. Oh, look at Papa-san going very fancy with the avos. Wow. Look at that precision. Look at that knife. Look at the way it glides through the sushi roll. He sharpens it twice a day. Came from Japan and he's had it for 30 years. This is the master at work. That is so beautiful. I'm falling behind. He's a master.
No. This,
Okay.
show you. This one, maybe.
Oh, like a flower. He's helping me, guys. Look, the sushi off has taken a bit of a turn. It's now become a joint masterclass. And anyway, I can't do this. I'm not delicate with avos. I've never known how to be delicate with the avo. Papa-san finished mine, and they look gore-mazing. Hold it up for the video, Papa-san, and I'll hold mine.
Yeah.
Which do you think is better? Comment below. Time for me to learn a thing or two from the real master. Papa-san, show us what you've got.
Like this.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, finish one. This one, Boerewors.
Beautiful.
Another one, very crispy bacon.
Papa-san's really knocking it out of the park here. So how long have you been making sushi for, Papa-san?
Me, Japan, start is 16 years old.
Since he was 16. How old are you now?
77.
61 years of making sushi. That's why yours looks so good. Me and Marianne's favorite sushi restaurant in the whole world. OB restaurant. You must go there, guys.
There you go.
Incredible. And there you have it. Boere sushi made by Suzelle and Papa-san. DIY because anybody can.
はい、どうもありがとうございます。
Arigato, everybody.
はい。
This guy. I love him. Everybody say konnichiwa.
Hi.